I'm working on the 69 Camaro right now. The issue is that the fender is flared outward and it's not sitting flush with the body. I should be able to take a straight edge and run down it. Should be nice and level all the way. It's in a bind right now. I'm loosening up the inner fender, taking the radiator core support off, all that, trying to figure out what's causing this bind. Once I can figure it out, hopefully we can resituate it and get it so it's not, and it's nice and straight. As you can see, the rocker is nice and straight, the door is nice and straight. It comes here and now it's kicking outward. Like I said, that should be able to run a straight edge down. It should be nice and straight. And I got the bolts loose down here, and as I try to push in, it's just tight. It's in a bind. So I'm going to come through, loosen stuff up, figure out what's causing it and what we can do from that point to make this the correct way. So I figured out where the stress was coming from on this fender on this Camaro. It was bulged out real bad, just was real tight. I loosened everything up, tried pushing in, it would not move. I come up to the core support and I find the body bushing. They had one body bushing on the bottom side of the frame rail and they had one on the top side of the core support, squeezing the two together. There was no bushing between there. It was sucking everything down, it was pushing this out. Now that I pulled that out, got it spaced up there, all the stress was taken away from here and it was able to fold right in and looking pretty good now.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.